Fasting is all about peace and quiet. So, what better time to use your vacation for is to fuse it with prolonged fasting. It's weekend and I'm on my weekend getaway. I am on a beautiful mountainside of Pokljuka in our native country, Slovenia. And we have 3 days here to enjoy the beautiful scenery, the cool weather, the beautiful mountains, and of course, the forests that are full of mushrooms right now. And I thought, why not to tell you a little bit about or give you an idea? Why not? Why fasting when on vacation would be a good idea? So, what is vacation ideally? Well, in my opinion, it is time away from stress. That means work, in my opinion. It is time away from your daily grind. So, anywhere at home, at work, on your free time at home. So, it is time away from people that you see every day. That means people who you are mostly tired of seeing, like your coworkers, like your friends all the time, or your family who is nagging you every day, or the people who you are trying to get away with, get away from, not with. And there's also time away from the tasks that are always there is always something to do at home. So there is always something to do around the house or in the house or in the garden. So vacation gives you time away from all of that. So, why would fasting be a good idea on vacation? Well, I have a couple of good suggestions why you could use your vacation and pair it with prolonged fasting. Now, first of all, if you are getting away from your house, from your home, you're probably getting somewhere where you do not know the place. So if you're going somewhere like this in nature, you will probably like to explore, or if you would like to sleep for the first few days, that's okay. But exploring comes to mind when I am somewhere new. And when I'm fasting, exploring or moving about or moving in nature is a good idea. Why? Because when you are fasting, your body is in a process of autophagy. And autophagy is where your body is detoxing all of the dead and damaged cells from your body. And also, the fasting is the period where the body uses, our fat stores and our muscle stores for our energy source. And if you're using your muscle, like when you go exploring in nature, then your body is going to focus on fat stores for their energy source. So that's reason number one. What else? I find that when I am fasting at home, it doesn't matter if I am working or if I am at home, the cravings are a bit more intense. Why? Because I keep looking at that cupboard where I know that cookies are hidden. I keep looking at the drawer when I know that the kids keep their sweets or chocolates or something like that, and I know where everything is. Here, when I go to to vacation, to a new apartment or to a new house, I bring nothing with me, especially if I'm fasting. So this is a good time away from from the food cravings that are not as intense, because I don't have anything with me that I would be focusing on. So that's reason number two. When I'm fasting, I have time to spare. Now, think about it. How much time do you really use for food? And I don't mean just for eating. I mean going to the grocery, I mean preparing the food, looking over the recipes of what you're going to cook that day. I mean eating and then actually clearing up after yourself. Me, I have a family of four to look after. So I did a little test when I was fasting, how much time I usually spend on food. And it was between 3 to 4 hours per day because I like to cook and I like to prepare every meal when I am at home for the boys. So this is extremely gained time that you get back when I am not eating anything. And if you come here with your family, where there is, a buffet that they can eat from, and you don't have to cook at all, imagine what you could do with that additional 4 hours. Oh, you can see my dog walking behind me. So yeah, that's the reason number three. What else? When I am fasting at home, especially when I'm working, I notice that I am tense throughout the day because of the little tasks, because of anxiety of what my boss is going to say about this or what I forgot. But when I am in a vacation, when I'm vacationing, I am usually more relaxed, especially if I am in nature like this, surrounded by cows, birds, my dog, and I am more relaxed. And this helps to get in tune with your body when you are fasting. And there's one more secret weapon that I'd like to share with you. When I'm fasting, I don't buy food. Now, I could be fasting alone, or me and my husband could be fasting together, and only my boys would eat. But even if I'm fasting alone, there is so much money saved for groceries. I can't believe every time I am shocked at how much money I spend on coffee, on, little knickknacks, or on sweets, or on takeaway. It's incredible. And this money adds up. And in 3 weeks, I could save anywhere from 100 or 200 euros per 3 weeks. So imagine what I can do with that kind of money if I am on vacation. That would be, I don't know, additional day or two in this beautiful scenery. I mean, what's to think about it? So yeah, this is what I wanted to talk to you about today. Now, I will be here in Pokluka for 2 more days, and there will be two more videos filmed in this beautiful scenery because I am really inspired by the place and the nature. And when I see green trees, even if they're only spruce trees, and green fields, and when there is cold around me, even if it's July, I get inspired and I get motivated to do more videos like this. So you can expect a little more from me from this scenery. But enough for today. I would like to thank you for your attention. I would like to thank you for your time that you spent watching this video. And if you'd like to know more, I did another video about how stress and fasting don't work. And if you'd like to know more about that subject, I will leave the link down below so you can check it out. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.